If you are my followers sa YouTube and Facebook and other social media platform, gusto ko sana kayo imbitahin every Saturday evening. We'll start 6 to 7 in the evening. I'd like to start sharing with you a series of lessons that I created entitled Overcoming Depression in the Workplace. Depression is a major issue today. Tawag ng karamihan, mental health issue. Gusto ko sana maturuan ng mga tao on how to respond properly. Based on my research, most doctors will tell you, walang gamot sa depression. All they do is to give you a medicine that will calm you, pero hindi nawawala yung source ng mental health issue. In my program, I said, naniniwala ako, dapat walang depression. Yung depression that caused by your environment. Naniniwala ako, merong medical depression. It's a change of hormone, especially dun sa mga babae ng anak. Minsan naman, as we grow older, yung babae nagkakaroon ng menopause, pero na-realize ko, meron din ganyan sa lalaki. And they are biological. Pero karamihan ng depression na encounter ng tao today, only because hindi sila makapag-respond properly sa nangyayari around them. Let me give you an example. In the first lesson, ang title niya, Your Best Will Never Be Enough. Most people, nadidepress sila when their boss or their authorities reject their work. Pinaghirapan nila, pinagpuyatan nila, talagang they gave their best only to be rejected. Nadidepress sila because they felt unfair yung boss nila, teacher nila, o magulang nila. So nagalit sila and minsan may nagagawa silang mali. In that lesson, I said, your best will never be enough if it does not meet the standard of the authority you are trying to serve or the authority you are trying to please. Therefore, in order to overcome that kind of depression, ang gawin mo lang, makinig ka, and then ayusin mo yung trabaho mo so that you can meet their standard. And the best way to respond to situations like that is to ask your boss, Boss, ba't mo rineject? Ano kulang? Ano ba ang standard mo? Unfortunately, people would like to do things their way, hoping that their authorities will accept their best. And this is something I have learned in life, na kung gusto mo matuwa yung authority mo, make sure your best meets their standard. However, you cannot meet that standard if you do not know that standard. So isa lang to sa example na i-discuss ko sa inyo. There are 26 lessons in the Overcoming Depression series. Sana you will join me every Saturday starting June 14. And then kung meron kang kaibigan o kilala who's going through depression in the workplace, imbitahin mo. I'm hoping matulungan ko kayo. After the lesson will be question and answer. So sa question and answer portion, I am hoping na mas ma-address natin yung mga personal concerns na mga mag-a-attend. So I hope to see you every Saturday. Allow me to bless you during the time. I will see you.